Shopping for a new car? I want the real story. Like, what do real people who own the car think of it? And I want to know what I should pay so I can get the best deal. Is that too much to ask?
We don't think so. Kelley Blue Book's KBB.com will help you find out what you should pay for a new car. Use KBB.com's advanced car valuation tools, plus get reviews from both real car owners and certified experts. At KBB.com, you get the real story. So don't shop for a new car until you've gone to KBB.com, the trusted resource. How do you tell a bad plumber from a good one?
What do you know about plumbing? Well, that's fine. Give me a hand.
You wouldn't let these guys work on your plumbing. Rely on Roto-Rooter, the good plumbers instead. Roto-Rooter's licensed plumbers provide quality service 24/7.
Who said you need brains to be a plumber?
We do. Call in the Roto-Rooter professionals to solve all of your plumbing and drain problems.
Call Roto-Rooter, that's the name.
And away go troubles down the drain.
It's the April event going on right now at Ashley Furniture Home Store. Everything in the store has been discounted for this event. Get up to 20% off our already low Ashley direct prices, or up to 60 months, no interest. That's no interest until April 2017. That means April is going to be the best month to save big on all dining rooms, living rooms, bedrooms, all accessories, and more. Get more without paying more. Only during the April event. Only at Ashley Furniture Home Store in College Station.
Spring is here, and so is the 2012 BCS Home Builders Spring Parade of Homes, sponsored by M-Law Engineers. It starts Saturday and Sunday, April 28th and 29th through May 5th and 6th. Visit these brand new homes and discover the new trends in home construction and design.